Hi guys! I'm just so very excited right now because I received it. Finally, I have it. Today we're gonna be reviewing and unboxing, well not really unboxing because it's not in a box, product from the Great North. The Great North is a Canadian company that sells clothing and products that are sustainable and eco-friendly. 10% of the profit when you purchase something actually goes to the environment. That means preserving Mother Nature, planting trees, cleaning the ocean, stuff like that I'm totally signing into. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and open the package. This is what I just received today. Like I mentioned, they're very eco-friendly, they're very environment-friendly. So let's start with the packaging, shall we? Look! It's a friendly mailer. What is it? It's an eco-friendly mailer. Okay, so it's 100% biodegradable mailer. What does it say? Now that more purchases are being made online than ever before, it's important for us to ship responsibly. Part of responsible shipping is making sure that the packaging we use won't leave a negative impact on our planet, which is very smart. You have a point. So to learn more about earth-friendly shipping, you can go to friendlymailer.com. They're actually really cool. I provided the link down below. Go ahead and open the package. So, I'm just gonna rip it off. So let's see. I really hope that they have my correct size. First one. It's a tank top. Put it on. Okay, this is really comfortable. This is really soft. No complaints. It's really good. And then, the tag. Okay, another thing that is very cool with the Great North is their tags, their clothing tags. You see this? See? It has seeds inside of it. So that means you can go ahead and put it in a pot, and just plant the thing and it's gonna grow plants. You're just gonna have to put the shirt tag inside a pot with soil naturally, water it, and then you'll grow your plants. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that after this. And I'm gonna show you some milestones about if the plants survive or something like that. And I'm gonna post it on my social media account on @Lhitz Valencia on my Instagram and @Longami on Facebook. And of course here on YouTube, Longami. I'm gonna make a video about that too. I'm very excited. It's really cool. I don't know if you can see this, but here, see, there are seeds inside of it. How cool is that? Oh, that's one down. I still have one more. Okay guys, so if you want to go ahead and check out their online store, you can go to www.thegreatnorth.net. And the best part, you can use the code ILONGOME, that's ILONGGOME, no space in between, and you can get a 30% discount on all of the products. 30% off all of the products. Just use that code. I'm gonna provide some links below. You're welcome. Next one. It's a hoodie. It's a black hoodie. So it's not itchy. The material is not itchy. It's actually really soft. Like I can sleep on it. Look. And the print at the back is not that loud. It's not that disturbing, distracting. It's actually cool. The Great North Apparel. And as you can see here on the side sleeve, they've got the Great North logo. It's their logo right there. Mountain with a polar bear. Look, it's so cute. Can you see it? It's a fox. Or what is it? Is it? Yeah, it is. It's a fox. Look. A fox's face under the hood. How cool is that? That is so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Fits like a glove, just in time for fall. The material is so good. It's not itchy like any other hoodies and jackets that I've got. Normally when I buy hoodies, it's actually kind of itchy sometimes, but this one I'm actually surprised because I was expecting that it's gonna itch a bit because of the material, but this one is very comfortable. Surprisingly, it's very comfy. I'm not sugarcoating or anything, but no tea, no shade, no pink lemonade, just the truth. I love this jacket. The fit is just good. This is medium size, and I'm 5'7", and fits me just right. It's not that big. It's okay. It's for a hoodie. It's comfortable. The back, it's good. And then the hood fits my head just right. It's not too short, it's not too big and too long, it's just right. And I've got a thank you card. So it says, thank you, your purchase makes a positive impact for wildlife and our environment. Our apparel is made ethically and with sustainable practices. Like what I said. Our main goal is to provide awesome quality apparel that feels great to wear. True. While also promoting an environmentally friendly future for us all to share. We hope you feel great about your purchase, as you should. Well, I am. I feel great. I feel awesome. I'm proud to be a brand ambassador of the Great North. Thank you very much. Even this card is recycled. How about that? It's so cool. Yeah, because I've checked on the website, the materials that they've used, if there are excess materials from the products that they've made, they actually make it, they recycle that. Nothing goes to waste. They recycle everything. So it's really good. I'm really, really happy and satisfied with my purchase. Guys, if you want to get one, and please do get one, you can go ahead on their website. Again, it's at www.thegreatnorth.net. And use the code ILONGOME, that's ILONGGOME, no space in between, for you to get a 30% off on all your purchases. And 10% of that purchase goes to Mother Earth. So, which is also a good thing. It's like a win-win thing. For you, for me, for entire human race, and for Mother Nature. Again, guys, the links are in the descriptions down below. So, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in. And I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.